Unlock the vault of visionary leaders with the turn of a page. What if the wisdom of the world's most successful entrepreneurs could be distilled into a single bookshelf? Welcome, future moguls and business enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the literary world where the secrets of a powerful business mindset are bound within the pages of transformative books. These aren't just reads. They're the mentors you've been seeking, the strategies you need to thrive, and the mindset shifts that will redefine your approach to business. Stay tuned as we unveil the top books that will challenge, inspire, and equip you for the entrepreneurial journey ahead. We're not just dropping a list of books today. Each book on this list has been meticulously researched and selected to bring you the most value. But that's not all. We understand your time is precious. That's why for each book we've included a brief summary, giving you a snapshot of the wisdom tucked inside its pages. This way, you can dive deeper into the ones that resonate with you the most. Grab a notebook, and let's explore these literary treasures together. The first in our list is Crushing It: How Great Entrepreneurs Build Their Business and Influence, and How You Can Too by Gary Vaynerchuk is a compelling follow-up to his earlier work, Crush It. The book delves into the world of influencers and provides a practical guide on building a successful personal brand through various social media platforms. It's filled with case studies and actionable advice, making it a valuable resource for aspiring entrepreneurs. You should consider reading it if you're interested in leveraging social media to turn your passion into a profession, as it offers both inspiration and practical strategies to thrive in today's digital landscape. Next is The Effective Executive by Peter F. Drucker. It is a seminal work that explores the practices and habits necessary for an individual to be effective in a management role. Drucker emphasizes that effectiveness is a discipline that can be learned and is not necessarily inherent to a person's character. The book outlines 5 key habits that contribute to effective management, including time management, focusing on contributions, building on strengths, setting the right priorities, and making effective decisions. It's a highly recommended read for anyone looking to improve their productivity and decision-making skills in a professional setting, offering timeless insights that are applicable across various industries and roles. Next is Getting Things Done by David Allen. It is a renowned book that presents a comprehensive organizational system designed to enhance productivity and reduce stress. The core philosophy of the book is that our ability to be productive is directly linked to our capability to relax. By capturing all tasks and ideas outside of the mind and organizing them into actionable items, the system allows individuals to focus on the task at hand without the distraction of a cluttered mind. It's a valuable read for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and achieve a more organized, stress-free approach to both personal and professional life too. The book's practical advice and straightforward techniques make it a staple in the field of productivity and time management. Next is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, co-written with Blake Masters, is a thought-provoking exploration of entrepreneurship and innovation in the modern age. The book challenges conventional wisdom, advocating for the creation of unique businesses that offer new products or services rather than imitating existing ones. Thiel's insights are drawn from his extensive experience as a co-founder of PayPal and an early investor in several tech giants. The central thesis is that true innovation occurs when we go from 0 to 1, creating something entirely new rather than iterating on what already exists. It's a compelling read for aspiring entrepreneurs and innovators who seek to understand the mindset and strategies necessary to build a successful startup that shapes the future. The book encourages thinking differently and boldly, making it a source of inspiration and guidance for anyone looking to make a significant impact in their field. Next is Enchantment: The Art of Changing Hearts, Minds, and Actions by Guy Kawasaki, is a guide on how to influence people and create a transformative experience in both personal and professional interactions. Kawasaki, drawing from his experiences at Apple and as a venture capitalist, discusses how to win over others not by manipulation but through genuine engagement and creating a cause that they can embrace. The book is recommended for those looking to inspire and lead effectively, whether it's in business, a personal project, or social movements. It provides practical advice on how to enchant customers, employees, and even bosses, making it a valuable read for anyone interested in the art of persuasion and building lasting relationships. Next is When the Scientific Secrets of Perfect Timing by Daniel H. Pink is an insightful exploration into the science of timing and how it influences our daily lives and decisions. Pink presents a compelling case that our cognitive abilities, mood, and performance undergo significant fluctuations throughout the day, and understanding these patterns can greatly enhance our decision-making, productivity, and overall well-being. The book is a valuable read for anyone interested in optimizing their schedule and activities based on scientific evidence rather than intuition. It offers practical advice on how to align your tasks with your natural rhythms, making it a useful guide for improving your personal and professional life. Next is The Emth Revisited: Why Most Small Businesses Don't Work and What to Do About It by Michael E. Gerber is a book that dispels the myths surrounding starting your own business and shows how commonplace assumptions can get in the way of running a business. Gerber walks you through the steps in the life of a business from entrepreneurial infancy, through adolescent growing pains, to the mature entrepreneurial perspective, the guiding light of all businesses that succeed. He then shows how to apply the lessons of franchising to any business whether or not it is a franchise. The Emth Revisited: Why draws the vital, often overlooked distinction between working on your business and working in your business. This book is essential reading for anyone wanting to start and grow a business. It provides insights into why so many businesses fail to thrive and practical advice on how to overcome these challenges. Gerber's approach is to work on your business, not in it, creating systems that allow the business to operate without you, which is key to creating a sustainable and successful enterprise. The book's principles are applicable to any industry and provide a roadmap to entrepreneurial success and personal fulfillment. Next is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman is a profound exploration of human cognition, presenting the idea that we have two systems of thought. System 1, which is fast, intuitive, and emotional, and System 2, which is slower, more deliberative and logical. The book delves into how these systems shape our judgments, decision-making, and the biases that can result from their interplay. It's an essential read for those interested in psychology, economics, or simply understanding the complexities of human behavior. By reading it, you can gain insights into how to make better decisions, understand the errors we often make, and learn how to use both systems of thought to your advantage. The book delves into how these systems shape our judgments, decision-making, and the biases that can result from their interplay. It's an essential read for those interested in psychology, economics, or simply understanding the complexities of human behavior. By reading it, you can gain insights into how to make better decisions, understand the errors we often make, and learn how to use both systems of thought to your advantage. Next is The $100 Startup by Chris Gilbo. It is an inspiring guide that empowers readers to start and grow a business with minimal investment. The book is based on the experiences of individuals who have built successful businesses with little capital, often starting with only $100 or less. Gilbo emphasizes the importance of passion, skill transformation, and creating value for others as the cornerstones of a profitable venture. It's a must-read for aspiring entrepreneurs or anyone interested in starting a side hustle, as it provides practical steps and a wealth of resources to turn your ideas into income without the need for substantial financial backing. The book is celebrated for its actionable advice, making entrepreneurship accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Next is The Founder's Dilemmas by Noam Wasserman is a crucial guide for entrepreneurs that addresses the critical decisions and challenges faced when starting a company. The book draws on a decade of research to reveal the common pitfalls founders encounter and provides strategies to avoid them. It covers dilemmas such as whether to start a venture alone or with co-founders, how to split equity, and when it might be necessary for a founder to step down for the company's growth. This book is an invaluable resource for anyone embarking on the entrepreneurial journey, as it offers insights into making choices that can significantly impact the startup's success and the founder's personal satisfaction. Reading it could help you navigate the complex landscape of entrepreneurship and increase your chances of building a thriving business. If you want to check more about the books, check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more interesting upcoming videos. To hit the notification icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.